Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a ghost avatar in Brookhaven. First, launch the game and navigate to the avatar editor. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your character. You will want to clear your current outfit entirely to ensure a clean canvas. Then, choose a very light skin color, like pure white or a very pale gray, to establish that essential ghostly base for your new spooky look. Now let's focus on the ghostly attire and features. For clothing, opt for items that are white, light gray, or even slightly transparent, giving the illusion of a flowing spirit. Think about tattered robes or simple flowing dresses. Next, head to the face section. You can either pick a blank face, a very simple expression, or one with slightly eerie eyes to enhance the spooky vibe of your ghost. To truly elevate your ghost avatar, let's explore ethereal accessories. Look for items such as translucent wings, a faint halo, or even chains that appear to float around your character. Many games offer special effects that can make your avatar seem to hover slightly above the ground. For hair, choose styles that are white, light gray, or even transparent, giving a wispy, otherworldly feel to your spectral creation. Once you are satisfied with your ghostly creation, it is time to save your masterpiece. Navigate to the save slots within the avatar editor and store your new ghost outfit. This ensures you can easily switch back to it anytime you wish to haunt Brookhaven. Take your new spectral form for a spin around the map, perhaps floating through walls or startling other players. Have fun embodying your spooky spirit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.